why this path? We really rate these machines because kids can afford them. It's cheaper than a PlayStation, it's cheaper than a lot of pairs of trainers. At £159 with basic software, it's fine. £200 with the full software, it's basically halfway to being professional. So they're really, really useful. The fact that they can access a library of songs is amazing. They don't have to keep going around with bags of CDs or bags of vinyl records. They can keep multiple playlists of songs in iTunes without having multiple copies of the tracks. So in one mood they can say, well, this has got all my, I don't know, Slipknot and Amy Winehouse in it, whereas this one's only Amy Winehouse and this one's only Slipknot. Probably showing my age with those song choices, but there you go. So we really rate them. They're brilliant. Things are moving forward with them. But what are the benefits of CD? A, they don't have the screen. They don't have all the visual help. It's definitely more challenging. There's a lot more to be said for learning DJing via the ear. And CD will do that for you without all the problems of vinyl. So what's wrong with vinyl? It's hard to get the format. It's hard to get the discs. It's the most delicate and most fragile medium. So why on earth would anyone use that? Well, because it's the most challenging, it's the most rewarding, but also it's definitely the coolest. People instantly see the iconic value. They look up to it in the same way that people look at a grand piano when they're comparing it to a Casio keyboard.